In this video, we're going to show you how to use our import VAT and duty calculator, a quick and easy tool to help you estimate the costs associated with importing goods using our services. To get started, head over to our website at pallet2ship.co.uk and hover the mouse over the Shipping Tools section and click on the Import Duty Calculator. This will bring you to our Import VAT and Calculator tool designed to give you a rough estimate of the duties and VAT your receiver may need to pay when their shipment arrives. First, you'll need to fill in a few key details. Start by selecting the country of origin by using the Import From box, along with the relevant currency. Now select the destination country using the Import To box, and again selecting that country's currency. In this video, I am using an example of a pallet of cookbooks from the UK to France. So I will select United Kingdom and GBP, followed by France and Euros. If you know the HS code or commodity code, entering this will give you the most accurate estimate for the import's VAT and duty. I am using the commodity code 4901990000. I can leave the next two boxes blank as I know the HS code. However, if I did not, I could have typed in cookbooks in the product description and selected a suitable product category, such as this one here for printed books. Next we have product value, and it should be noted that this is the value of a single item in the country of origin. The cookbooks I am sending have a value of £10 each, and we are shipping 200 of them. We suggest leaving the terms box as CIF. This will include the cost of the shipping and insurance to the total value that duty and VAT is calculated on, which is standard practice in the industry. The last step is to add your shipping cost and insurance if applicable and click on Calculate. Here we can see that the calculator is suggesting there is no duty to be paid on the value of the goods. However, the receiver should be expecting to pay roughly €547.95. Remember, this calculator is meant as a guide only. The actual VAT and duty charges can vary depending on a range of factors, such as local customs regulations and specific rules that may apply to the type of goods you're importing. For a more accurate breakdown, we would always recommend checking with the customs authorities in the destination country. We hope this tool makes things a little easier for you as you navigate your shipping needs with Pallet2Ship. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team, who will be happy to help.